Is it my duty we are rolling? Hello, I'm Aputim Cook, the CEO of Banana Apple. Today, on this extravagant day, we are launching our latest product, If Phone Numeric 10 this time, Pro Max, Ultra Light, Pro again, V2 Mark III. Is it my duty to play the applause sound now? You might be wondering why we named our latest product If Phone Numeric 10 this time, Pro Max Ultra Light, Pro again, V2 Mark III. Well, we are Banana Apple. It doesn't matter what we name our device. We know you'll buy it. For the starters, let's talk about the display. It is a 6.7-inch OLED display, which even I don't know the full form of.
Are you mad or what?
And the display is unofficially military grade certified, which means it is prone to cracks as well. So make sure to drop it and get a replacement for just half the price at one of our Banana Apple stores. It has a battery which will run out as soon as you plug it out of the charger, so make sure to carry a power bank at all times. And did I tell you that you can power up these phones only from Banana Apple power banks?
No, you didn't.
No, I did not. Okay, so even the power bank comes without a battery and you need to plug it in at all times with a Banana Apple wall charger. Isn't it crazy? And all these products are sold separately. Obviously, you thought we'll bundle it? Joke's on you. Talking about the storage options, you get 12 different options that are 1GB, 2GB, 4GB, 8GB, 16GB, 32GB, 64GB, 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, 1TB and 2TB. To keep doubling the storage, you need to add another $100 at every step. Because we understand our consumers and 128GB is a necessity nowadays. So that explains it all.
Straight away tell them you want them to pay more.
Shut up. Editor, please cut this part. The phone comes with a Snapdragon.
We are not Android, dude.
The phone comes with a BA Roman numeral 10 chipset and it is 1% faster than the predecessor. Lastly, let's talk about the cameras. We have put 8 cameras this time. Each are 2 megapixel macro sensors. I know, it ain't much, but it's honest work. Also, we are evolving but backwards because there are more cameras than the predecessor. But 8 megapixel macro sensors, who even uses that? And there's no front camera also. You need to flip your phone to the backside to click a selfie, like old times, Now is the time for the pricing of the phone, and it starts at $399 only. What? It's the base variant, which includes just the chassis. We are giving you many options to customize your personal F phone numeric 10 this time, Pro Max, Ultra Light, Pro again, plus V2 Mark III. To get the display, just add another $699. Isn't it cheap? Now for the price of the storage plus RAM. I know, you are surprised that we bundled this time, and it's because we don't want you to be angry at us. RAM is fixed at 1GB plus 1GB of storage starts at $499. And as I told you before, you can keep adding $100 to keep doubling the storage, up to 2 terabytes. Take note, Samsung. The cameras are priced at $999 only for all the lenses. Is anything left now? Well, the wall brick starts at $199. The power bank, which is required at all times to power up the If Phone numeric 10 this time, Pro Max Ultra Light, Pro again, plus V2 Mark III, will be available for $749 only. And lastly, the super delicate cable, which will probably last around a week only, is priced at $79. And you'll require 2 of them, one for the wall brick and the other for power bank. So monthly it will be an expense of around $630. But we have an extraordinary offer for you. You can subscribe to the Banana Apple Cable Plus subscription at $699 a month and we'll deliver 2 cables every week right at your doorstep. And we have a launch discount too. The fully maxed out variant of If Phone numeric 10 this time, Pro Max Ultra Light Pro again plus V2 Mark III is priced at $20,000 only. But we'll provide it to you at just $99 if you order right now in just 5 seconds. I'm counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations to nobody. I know you didn't order. Thank you all for tuning in to this keynote. Stay safe and we'll meet you next year. Goodbye. Anyways, this is the actual outro of the video. Thank you Rob for inspiration, and if you're watching, let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. That's me signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.